Hi everyone, welcome! Today in front of me is Apple HomePod 2 and I'm going to show you how to easily add it to your home view. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our Home app and click on Speakers and TVs. Now, as you can see, our HomePod is there, so we have to click on it. Now we have to click on this guy icon over there and we have to enable Add to Home View. Now we have to restart our app. And as you can see, our HomePod is just there. That's it. Like and subscribe for more details of videos and hope it helps you. Goodbye.